I'm not stopping this time. Rosemary, heaven restores you alive. Coming with me, engaging the fear and the strife. The smiling on the package, it's the faces in the sand. It's the thought that moves you upwards, embracing me with two hands. Right will take you places, yeah, maybe to the beach. When your friends, they do come crying, tell them how your pleasure set upon a slow release. They wait, they smile, sensitive to fate, not denial. But hey, who's on trial? It took a lifespan, no cellmate, a long way back. Say, hey, why can't we look the other way? We speak about travel, yeah, we think about the land. We're smart like all people, feeling real tan. Do you need, I could take you places. Do you need a new man? Wipe the pollen from the face and make provisions to a dream while you wake in the van. They wait, they smile, sensitive face, not denial. But hey, who's on trial? It took a lifespan, no cellmate, a long way back. Saying, hey, why can't we look the other way? You're weightless, you are exotic, need something for which you care. Saying, hey, why can't we look the other way? Leave some shards under the bed and leave some grease inside my hand. It's a sentimental jury and the makings of a good plan. You come to love me lightly, yeah, you come to hold me tight. This is motion everlasting, or the shudders pass in the night. Rosemary, heaven restores you alive. I spent a lifetime, no cellmate, on the long way back. Saying, hey, why can't we look the other way? You're weightless, semi-erotic, need someone to take you there. Saying, hey, why can't we look the other way? Why can't we just play the other game? Why can't we just look